Hello dear friends, I am Professor Dinkar Teknar, your English teacher. Dear friends, in this video we are going to learn a new grammar topic, that is conditionals in English. In spoken or written English, we use so many conditional sentences. There are many types of conditionals. For example, open conditional, hypothetical or unreal condition, unfulfilled or past conditional, and zero conditional. We will see them one by one. The first one is open conditional. It has if clause and conditional clause. In if clause, if plus present tense is used, and in conditional clause, future form is used. This means conditional clause is always in future tense and if clause is in present tense. Look at the example. If I go to the library, I will read something. Another example. If I study hard, I will pass my exam. In the first sentence, if I go to the library, here go, the verb is in present tense. In the second clause, I will read something, will read shows future form. In the second sentence, if I study hard, the verb study is in present tense. And in the second clause, I will pass my exam, will pass shows future form. Hypothetical or unreal condition. Again here if clause and conditional clause. In if clause, if plus past tense is used, and in conditional clause, would plus infinitive form or root verb is used. Look at the example. If I studied hard, I would get first class. Another example. If I won a lottery, I would help the poor. In the first sentence, studied is in past tense. And in second conditional clause, would get, that is would plus infinitive form of the verb get. Here in the second sentence, won is in past tense, that is simple past tense, and would help, would plus infinitive form of the verb help. Unfulfilled or past conditional. If clause and conditional clause. In if clause, if plus past perfect is used, and in conditional clause, would have plus VPP is used. VPP means past participle of the main verb or third form of the verb. For example, if I had studied hard, I would have got first class. Second example, if I had won a lottery, I would have helped the poor. In the first sentence, had studied shows past perfect. And here, would have got means would have plus VPP. So, got is past participle or third form of the verb get. In the second sentence, had won shows past perfect and would have helped shows would have plus VPP. So helped is third form or past participle of the verb help. Now zero conditional, if clause and conditional clause. In if clause, if plus present simple is used, and in conditional clause, present simple is used. Means here in zero conditional sentences, both clauses have simple present tense. For example, if you speak truth, people trust you. Another example, if you heat ice, it melts. Here, speak and trust are in present tense, heat and melts are in present tense. So speak, simple present, trust also is in simple present, heat is in simple present, and melts is also in simple present tense. Now let us take overview of these conditionals. Zero condition, if plus present simple in the if clause and present simple in conditional clause. Open condition has if plus present tense in the if clause and future form in the conditional clause. Hypothetical condition, if plus simple past is used in the if clause and would plus infinitive or base form root verb is used in the conditional clause. In unfulfilled condition, if plus past perfect is used in the if clause and would have plus VPP or third form is used in the conditional clause. Now use proper forms of verbs in brackets and complete the following sentences. Look at the sentence. If you come to the library, we complete the project. We have to use proper form of the verb complete. Second sentence. If Geeta sent an application, she would have got the job. Another example. If my friends came late, I wait for them. If the girls didn't tease Sarita, she spent more time in the office. If I got an invitation, I go there. And the last example is, if it get hot tonight, I will switch on the fan. Now let us see the first sentence. If you come to the library, we dash 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 complete the project. Here if clause has a present tense, so it should be in the future tense. And the answer should be, if you come to the library, we will complete the project. Now second sentence, if Geeta sent an application, she would have got the job. Here in the second conditional clause, would have plus VPP is used. So the first clause should have had plus VPP, that is past perfect tense. And the answer should be, if Geeta had sent an application, she would have got the job. Third sentence. If my friends came late, I dash dash wait for them. Here conditional clause or if clause is in the past tense, came. So it should have would plus infinitive. The answer should be, if my friends came late, I would wait for them. Next sentence, if the girls didn't tease Sarita, she spent more time in the office. Again here, if clause has didn't tease, this means simple past tense. So here would plus infinitive should be used. And the answer should be, if the girls didn't tease Sarita, she would spend more time in the office. Now fifth one, if I got an invitation, I dash dash go there. Again here, I got an invitation. That if clause is in simple past tense. The answer should be, if I got an invitation, I would go there. Would plus infinitive. Look at the last sentence. If it get hot tonight, I will switch on the fan. Here the conditional clause in future form. So this first clause or if clause should be in the present form. So its answer should be, if it gets hot tonight, I will switch on the fan. So these are the correct forms of verbs used in bracket. Conditionals in English. Let us recapitulate. Try to revise. Open conditional, hypothetical or unreal condition, unfulfilled or past conditional, and zero conditional. So remember all these 4 conditionals used in spoken or written English. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Thank you. Thank you very much. Let me stop over here.